I decided to give Creative Fabrica Studio another go. So here I am. I opened up the Creative Fabrica Studio URL here. So I'm going to hit Start Designing, and that is going to take me in to the area where we can start to compare this to Canva. And I've done another video on this. I've done a couple things in here. I've enjoyed working in here. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to go to add a new design. And as you can see, you can pick here what you want to use. So I'm going to move this to inches. And I am going to do, I think I'll just do 8 by 8, 8 inches by 8 inches. That seems to be a good size. So I am going to do that. I'm going to increase my DPI to 300. So that is really nice that you can do that. I don't need to change my orientation because this is going to be square. So now I'm going to hit Create New Design. And so now it's going to bring us in here where we can start adding images. I haven't tried the Spark AI yet, so let's try this. Let's put some things in here. Since it's almost Easter here at this time, let's do Happy Easter Bunny on a quest to deliver Easter eggs that are beautifully colored and Easter baskets with candy. Just got the cap lock here. Candy in them, set up in a green field with the sun shining. I've found with AI, the more details you get, the better image you get. So let's see what we get for an image here. So it's going to generate some images for us. See if something comes up that we can use. It's thinking, and I've used Bing AI Creator many times. I've made a few videos with it. I do know it does take some time for these images to come forward. So we're just going to be patient and see what we get. Oh, aren't those adorable? Oh, that is super cute, but too many ears there. I'll click on them so you can see them here. See, he's got too many ears. I'm going to delete that one. I'm sure we can go in and jazz them up here, but let's see what this one looks like. Open this up. Well, that's pretty cute, actually. That came in really cute. Let's see, we got to make sure that we have all the eyes, nose, ears, everything. That's pretty cute, but I'm just going to delete that one. See what this one looks like. Stretch it out here. Let's see. It's Sleepy Bunny in there. Looks like he's sleeping. Okay. So this is how you use the AI image creator. This is one that I used earlier. I had made this and then I deleted these words in here. I took them out and I actually used it on a pillow that I did for a grandchild, and it turned out really, really cute. But as you can see, so you could bring this in. This is my favorite, actually. So, you can always take it in and use an eraser and get rid of one of these ears here. It's very cute. It turned out really well. So we're just going to get rid of this here now. And we're going to go to graphics and see what we can find here. And I think we will search for Easter egg and see what we get here. All right, here, oh, those are pretty. Well, you can always bring anything in from the Creative Fabrica account too. I'm going to put a link below for using this Creative Fabrica Studio. Please go down and use the link when you're trying this. But look at these beautiful images. So let's see what we can do here. I'm going to bring one of these in. And oh, he's cute. That dinosaur there, or dragon, whatever it is. Oh, this is very pretty. I'm going to bring a few of these in and start pulling them together, maybe making Oh, he's so cute, a bunny. Oh, that's adorable. I like the look of these watercolor ones here. So let's see if I can send him back. I'm going to pull the layers out here. Here's the layering. So let's see, cute bunny. I want him to the back. There you go. That was easy. Did you see that? So layering is right here and you just move it from place to place here. So that worked out really well. I think I will leave that one there for now. Maybe pull him out, pull him to the front and then move him a little bit. Whoops, well, that's not the one I wanted to move. Grab this one and move him over here a little bit. And then maybe turn it a little bit. And then get this one in there by that bunny. Oh, that is super cute. These are adorable, these watercolor images. Put this little fence behind. See if I can stick this back there. And then let's see, which one is that? It's in the front, so that must be this one. So we'll put that in the back. I'm going to duplicate that. So I'm going to hit Control C, Control V, and duplicate that. And I'm going to put it on this other side here. And then again, I'm going to pull that to the back. Well, that was easy. So now see the fence is behind the bunny. Oh, that's super cute. So this is just super simple to put together some beautiful images here. So now let's see what else we can do. I'm going to go back to graphics here and or elements maybe here, and I am going to look what we got here. Oh, all kinds of shapes. I was going to look for background, so maybe that would be more under graphics. So let's see, sky background. Let's see what we come up with here for that. I should have put blue sky maybe. Let's go to elements here and see what if the sky background. Maybe that isn't what I'm looking for. I probably need to be in graphics for this one. So let's do this. Okay, so let's try green grass. Put some grass in there too. See if we can find some grass here. But this is fun putting all these images together. They look really, really well together. Oh, this is cute. Should pull this in. I can bring this in here. Stick it in there a little bit. I'm going to duplicate that. So Control C, Control V, and I'm going to stick it behind here a little bit to make this bigger. And then see if I can get that to show up behind the bunny there. Now I'm going to move it back. Oh, that is cute. Yeah, that worked good. So Control C, Control V, make some more here. Put some more over here. Let's see here. And again, I'm going to pull that to the back so that the grass is behind the fence. Oh, that looks really good. This is really easy to work with. So now let's see here. If I can figure out here. Nope, not that one. And get rid of this one here. That looks really good though with that grass behind. So let's see what else we can do here. Now, that's a little bit different grass, isn't it? Let's try this here. Maybe bring that down. Stick it a little bit in front. That looks pretty cute. Blend it in with this one a little bit. That looks good there. Make it a little bit bigger. Pull it over here a little bit. And see, you can be pulling things together and making beautiful images. But I like how Creative Fabrica is bringing in images that look well together. They seem to be pulling in things that match the colors on this display very well. Let's see if I can find, oh, I like that too. Maybe we'll make another one. But anyway, let's see what else we got here. See if I can find some kind of a blue sky and see what comes up. Something that we could maybe throw in there. It had some options and then they went away. Here comes some. Let's see here. None of these are what I'm looking for. I'm kind of looking for a background was my idea of what I was going to put in here. See if I can find. Let's see. Patterns. Let's try that. Let's find a sky blue. Well, that's pretty. Oh, there's a blue sky. Oh, very pretty. I don't like the look of this with my but you can see that there are sky patterns in there. But with this watercolor look, I don't want to put anything in there that's going to be that bold against the background. I really like how this actually looks just the way it is. So let's see. Maybe I'll just put clouds. Go back up to elements here. So that was patterns that we were in. Oh, here's backgrounds. Huh, let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see if we can stretch this out. I like the look of that watercolor look that it's got there. I'm going to bring the background to the front so that I can get a hold of it and see if I can stretch this out and make it bigger. I'm having a hard time picking it up. I don't know why. I'm not able to move it. I don't know why. So I'm going to actually delete that. I'm not real good at Studio yet. I haven't worked with it a lot, but it's really easy to start using. Okay, let's try that one. Oh, that one fit in there real nice. I do like that one with that. It's actually got that watercolor look that I was kind of going for. So maybe I'll make some more greenery here. Put some more greenery in the front just to get that going. See if I can find some more. Oh, I really like that watercolor look to this. Not sure that I like this here, but it is cute. Moving around, but that, so you get the gist of this. That is absolutely beautiful. The images and the backgrounds that it has pulled in. I really like that. See, let's see what else we've got here that we can look at. Let's see how the text box works. Let's see, it's got a bunch you can pick from here and just change. But let's add a text box here and we'll change the font. Let's see. And I'm sure you can download all kinds of fonts in here as well. Let's see what we can find. Let's see, I'm not seeing what the font looks like, but let's just type Easter here. That came in a plain like sand. Oh, let's see if we can find something here. There you go. Now it's changing it. Go with find something. See if I can find. Let's see here. Go and find. Make it bold. I don't want that. I'll go back. I'm going to change the color here. Nope, I don't want any of that color. So back to the spectrum here. But anyway, you can see that. Now let's see if I can change the color. I'm trying to find like a color chart here. Like I said, I'm not very good at this yet. And that's definitely not the color I want. So let's go back here, border weight. Oh, there we go. There's the color spectrum. Oh, and here it brought in the colors from our design. I like that. Canva does that too. I really like that you can have the colors here. Now how did I do that? That you can change the color here the same way as these colors come up as they're the colors that are in the image. Now, if I can get my font to change to that color. Like I said, I'm not great at this. I'm just learning. So I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to try something else here. But it is very, very simple to use. If you've used Canva at all, it is very, very similar to Canva. So I would strongly suggest trying this, giving it a shot here. So let's move this over. And let's do happy. And then, whoops, it's got a little icon in here. We'll get rid of that. And then we'll change this to Easter. And we'll just make these bigger. Very cute. A lot to pick from. I think if I played with this for, any length of time here, I'd get it figured out lickety split. Um, Very easy to work with. So let's see how we can download it here now. That looks pretty cute. Colors match. Everything looks good. Let's see if I can get rid of this here. Get that out of there. So now we go to share, the same as you would. We'll download, and we have the choice of PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Well, I'm going to do a PNG. Remove background. Let's see. Yeah, we definitely want to remove the background because that is going to make it the clear. But being I have that background, the blue background on there, but I am still going to click this here. And now you can see that it downloaded it twice. So I'm going to look here. Hopefully you can see this when I open it. Here is that adorable image. It came in crystal clear and very good. So now what I did is I went back in and I removed the blue watercolor background so that we have a clear PNG as well. And then I downloaded that the same way. I removed the background, and now you can see here on the left the image with the blue background, and then on the right I set the big one on top so that you can see that it is now clear. It's a clear PNG. So if you wanted to put this on a shirt or something, you would be able to do that without having the stark edge of that blue background. So all in all, I am very happy with Creative Fabrica's new studio, and I think you should go below and click on the link. And when you click on the link, this is what it's going to look like. And then it's going to take you to the next page. And that looks like this. And there you can see that bunny where I've removed the background. So you can see the 3 designs that I have created here now. The one on the far right is a butterfly, and I did do a video on creating that one. The one in the center was an AI created sheep that I did. And then this is my 3rd project today, the Easter Bunny with the eggs. So I highly recommend getting a Creative Fabrica All Access account so that you can have you can download other images in here as well from that. There is a very good deal going on right now, and I will have a link below for that as well. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave me a comment. Have a great day.